II, right?
Yes.
So today we're going to talk about the leaders, okay? Can we start by someone telling me why we would want to learn about the leaders during World War II? Layla?
We need to learn about the leaders during World War II so we can understand who's in power and why they make the decisions that they make.
That's a very good answer. Anyone else have anything to add to that? No? Okay, that was a very good answer. So we're going to start just by reviewing the countries that were involved. So Allied powers, countries, raise your hand, Haley.
United States.
United States, okay. Reese?
France before they were occupied by Germany.
Okay, France was part of the U.S. Nope, not part of the U.S. It was part of the Allied powers. That's not one of the ones that we're going to be focusing on, though.
Okay.
So what are like the big three? We have the U.S., Matt,
England?
Great Britain, yes, okay. And the last one, Caitlin.
Germany?
Germany was Allied or Axis? Right, okay. So I'm going to put Germany over here. What's my last Allied power? Juliet.
Soviet Union.
Soviet Union, okay. Okay, so those were our Allied powers. Axis powers, we have Germany. Colin?
Japan.
Japan. And what's my last one? Courtney.
Italy.
Italy. Okay.
Pizza.
So these six are the ones that we're going to be focusing on the leaders of, okay? So I'm just going to scratch out the names because I'm not really focusing on them. Can someone give me one of the leaders? A name. Drew.
Germany, Hitler.
Germany was Hitler, okay. Not going to write the names. Leela? Okay. Jesse?
FDR.
Hitler, which country was FDR?
US.
U.S. Okay. Courtney?
I don't Mussolini.
Mussolini, okay. Country?
I'm not sure.
Italy?
Italy. Okay, so Italy was Mussolini. Got one?
Japan was it? Oh gosh, I don't know which of this name. Hi, Diki,
No.
She just the leader of the military.
Yeah, he wasn't the leader of the country.
Was Japan
Hirohito. Okay, that was Japan. So we've got all the Axis powers.
Was it Stalin?
Stalin was Soviet Union. There's one more for the U.S. After Roosevelt died in 1945, someone took over for him.
Truman?
Truman. Okay, very good, guys. Okay.
What about Great Britain?
Oh, we didn't go over Great Britain, did we?
Churchill, right?
Churchill. Churchill was Great Britain. Okay, good job, guys. Can anyone raise their hand and tell me any facts you know about any of those leaders? Layla.
Didn't Stalin and Hitler both be very, very fast?
Yes. You're very bad people. Jesse.
Japan, its leader ordered an attack on Pearl Harbor.
Yes. Okay. Juliet.
Hitler sent people to concentration camps
Yes.
to die.
What kinds of people?
Jews.
Jews.
His definition of the emperor.
Madison.
FDR had like polio, that's what
He had polio. Okay.
and he would go to his White House place. I don't really, it wasn't the White House, like that's the White House. It had like a spring of like a pool.
Oh, Warm Springs in Georgia.
Yeah.
Yes.
He would,
Called it the mini White House.
because that's what made him like feel good.
Okay.
That's where he died.
Yeah, because and he didn't want the public to see that he had it, and he would so they would hide it from them.
During like interviews, like when he was in chairs during like interviews on TV, it would really be like a real chair, but it would just look like a normal chair.
Yep. Okay. Last fact. Leela.
I have a question.
Okay.
If Stalin was the leader of the Soviet Union, but he did really bad things, why was he in the Allied powers and not the Axis powers?
Because Germany invaded Russia. Yeah. So then Soviet Union declared war on the Axis powers and joined the Allied powers. Yeah. Are these questions or comments?
Comments.
Okay, last two. Colin.
Then, what I found was Stolen, had, like, made agreements with, like, he had a peace agreement with Hitler, but Hitler betrayed him.
Yep, the non-aggression pact. Yep. Jack, did you have something to say?
So, I don't know if this is right. Can't remember those. But Hitler was already a madman, but he was exposed to mustard gas, and it made him even more insane.
Okay, that's not a fact I knew. Okay, Jesse, last comment.
This was just a government theory in a movie that I saw, well, a documentary on it. But they said when FDR, when he was like at a podium, they would use braces on his legs to not like let the public know that he knew a lot about
That's interesting.
FDR.
Okay, well, you guys are actually going to become experts on these leaders, okay? So you guys are gonna get into groups of 3. Don't move, let me explain, and then you guys can get into your groups, okay? So groups of 3, I'm going to give you each group a leader, one of the 7 leaders, okay? So we're gonna have 7 groups, there's gonna be one group of 4. And then what you guys are gonna do is I'm gonna give you 15 minutes to research your leader, okay? I have links on your Google Classroom, and these are the questions that I want you guys to answer when you're, oh, well, my grading's on it, we'll erase that. When you guys are doing your research, and then you're gonna put together like a 1-minute little presentation about your leader to share with the class, okay?
Like a Google slide?
No, like
A video.
like a speech.
Oh, okay.
Like a speech. You guys are gonna pretend, you can have a spokesperson for your group, and you're gonna deliver the speech like you're that person, okay? And in your speech, you need to make sure that you include the answers to these questions, okay? So there, what country was the leader associated with? What kind of leader were they? President, dictator, that kind of thing. When did they rule? And then what were some decisions they made as a leader during World War II that had an impact on the war, okay? Are these questions about the assignment?
Yeah.
Madison.
Can each person do their own, like, so let's say we each name, does that mean each of us would go there or only one?
No, you guys are gonna create a speech together, and then about your leader. I'm gonna assign you one. And then you guys are all gonna create a speech, and then one person's gonna say it in front of the class, okay? Jesse.
If, like, let's say mine was FDR, if, like, could we put in a fact that changed the entire war, but that not many people know about? Like,
Yes.
the little raids?
Sure. But I do have, sources on your Google Classroom that you guys can use that kind of have stuff for each of the leaders, but you can also do additional research if you want to. Courtney.
What if you already know the answers to some questions? Do you have to look at
If you already know the answers, like I'm sure we just went over the countries, so you guys probably won't need to look that up, okay? So, if you know the answers, just write it. But you will need to do some research on this one and some on the time frames. Any more questions?
Could we group of 4?
Sure. Okay, when you have your group form, come up to me and I will give you a leader, okay? Go.
I already got it.
Who's your third enemy?
We're the same.
Great.
Together.
Well, I guess I do.
Okay, where's my groups? Come up to me and get your leader.
4 right here.
Okay, which leader do you guys want?
Yes.
Hey, who's in this group? Alright. Okay, y'all listen. Only one leader for each group because there's going to be 7 groups, okay? Solid. But if there's one leader. Oh, it's our turn. Next group.